Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to install a font on Windows. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to a trusted website where you can download fonts. As for me, I am downloading fonts from thefont.com. So next thing is you will need to select any font here and then click download. The font file will be downloaded to your computer. It is usually in a zip format. Now let's locate the downloaded font file on our computer. It is usually in the downloads folder unless you specified a different location. We will now extract the font file from the zip folder. Right click on the zip file and choose extract here. Once the font file is extracted, right-click on it and choose Install. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to install a font on Windows. Now you can use your new font in various applications like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and more. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to install a font on Windows, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, take care and have fun exploring new fonts.